Let's be brutally honest. No one cares about your struggles. No one is losing sleep over your failures, your excuses. They are just whispers in a world that's too loud to listen. The truth is harsh, but it's the truth nonetheless. People only start paying attention when you succeed, when you rise above it all. That's when the world takes notice. So, what are you doing to do about it? Will you sit there and complain about how unfair life is? Or will you use that silence, that indifference, as a fuel? Because here is the thing, indifference can be your greatest gift. When no one cares, you have the freedom to build, to fail, to learn, and to grow without the weight of expectations. Think about it. Every great story starts in the shadows, the long nights, the silent battles, the moments of doubt when the only person rooting for you is you. That's where the foundation of greatness is laid. But the world doesn't see that. They only see the result. They'll cheer when you've crossed the finish line, but ignore the miles you ran in solitude. And that's okay. That's how it should be. Stop seeking validation from others. Stop waiting for someone to acknowledge your effort. Their approval doesn't make you stronger. Your struggles does. Their applause doesn't give you power. Your persistence does. Remember, the people who doubt you now will be the same ones claiming they always believed in you later. Let that sink in. Let it drive you. The question is simple. Are you willing to endure the grind when no one is watching? Are you willing to keep going when no one cares? Because the moment you win, the moment you prove them wrong, the silence will turn into applause. The doubt will turn into admiration. But by then, it won't even matter to you because you'll know the real victory wasn't in proving them wrong. It was in proving yourself right. Every moment of struggle is shaping you. Every tear, every ounce of pain is molding you into the person you are destined to become. And here is the secret. It's not just about victory. It is all about the journey. It is about the lessons you learn along the way, the discipline you cultivate, and the unshakable belief in yourself that you build. You are not just fighting to win. You are fighting to transform, to become the kind of person who can handle the weight of success. Success without struggle is empty, hollow, but success earned through blood, sweat, and tears, that is unbreakable. That is the kind of success that lasts. So, when the world ignores you, when no one cheers for you, when the silence feels deafening, remember this. Greatness is forged in solitude. It is born in quiet moments when you choose to push forward, despite the odds. It is born when you stop waiting for someone to save you and start saving yourself. Imagine the day you finally achieve what you have been working for. The day when all those sleepless nights, all those sacrifices pay off. Picture it vividly. Hold on to that image. Let it fuel you. Let it remind you why you are doing this. Because one day the world will see what you have built. They will see your strength, your perseverance, and your victory, and they will wonder how you did it, and you will know the answer. You will know it wasn't magic, it was not luck, it was a grit, it was resilience, it was the refusal to give up when giving up would have been easier. So keep going, keep fighting, because no one cares until you win. And when you do, the world will never forget.